extra other folks with us here boondocking. Bentley and I went for an awesome walk around this morning. Babe's having his coffee. We're going to visit with our hosts, and then we'll finish this journey.
Perry, come on out here.
Oh, look at what we...
Okay.
This is the village that I was reading about on their boondocking page. Wow.
Water in the fountain now.
Wow.
Look at this.
We started in 96.
Started in 96.
And I'll tell the preliminaries and then he can take over from there.
Good morning. Good morning, young man. How are you? Pretty good. How are you? Good. Fascinated by your... Where you come in here with this... People come in here with this young man stuff. I got you beat by 20, 25 years. Okay. Mm-hmm. I believe you. But you're still a young man. Wow.
Oh, look.
So now you can tell them the story, how we started and where we're going. I gotta pick on that.
I'm so old I haven't been in memory. I have to read it off my book. Okay.
Oh, look at this.
That is playing down the corner. Is this
And Mama in her
artist
kerchief and
that
I
died
in my
with
cap
Okay.
had just settled our brains for a long winter's nap. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter,
Kincaid.
That is a Kincaid. I thought it was a Kincaid.
Original Kincaid
away
house.
to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the
We love
shutters
Kincaid.
and threw up the
Wow.
sash. The moon on the breast
We have
gave the luster of
161
midday
houses
softness
on
below.
there. Wow.
When what
2,052
wandering eyes
trees
should appear,
and
but a miniature
733
sleigh,
little
and
figurines.
tiny reindeer.
How long did it take you
With a little old driver,
We started
so lively
in
and quick,
1996.
I
I
knew
had
the moment
a
must
back
be
surgery. I couldn't go to work for
Than he
3
rode
months.
his coursers they
And I
came.
had a
And he whistled and shouted and
an
called
office in
them
my
by
home.
name. Now Dasher,
had
now
an
Dancer,
oversized
now
table on my
Prancer and
top on
Vixen,
my desk.
on
But they were
I
fake.
took
Luan.
Luan and drew from that precast,
Okay.
and then I'd flip it over backwards to do the next one, and do the same thing. And when I cut them out, I found out that I'd cut two sets of mountains, high and low.
Yeah.
They got foothills then.
Yeah.
So those mountains are on Luan, 4x8 sheets of Luan, with 1x2s or 1x3s.
Stilts, yeah.
Yeah.
On stilts down to the floor.
Oh, wow.
Down there.
Amazing.
We
This
can
is
take it down and
just
store it if we have to.
Yeah.
amazing.
Wow.
It just grew and grew.
It's just a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
We played
But that smelter,
This is the Candy Cane Village that we've gotten. Now this is a cooker right here. I bet some good stuff has come off of that bad boy.
oh, you know it.
Oh, look at you. You're all set up.
We're getting there. It's not
You're
totally
all set up with, yeah.
done. You got part of it done. And he's got a grill that's coming out here.
Besides this grill over here.
Oh, yes. That's our hamburger pit over there. And I haven't got, I'm just going to make it a bracket to hold different lengths of hooks for your different heat.
Right,
Different
right.
temperatures of your heat. And then the tripods, we've got big kettles to hook on. And now at the end, you ever hear of a bean hole?
A bean hole. No, ma'am.
Up in the New England days, old days, the Indians used to dig the hole and wrap their food and stuff. And then they would go off hunting, cover it up and stuff, and then they come back and the food was cooked. Well, the settlers took on, they did it too, but then here in Texas, the cattle drives, Misty, get out.
She's fine.
When they'd go in their cattle drives, they had 2 meals a day, one at noon and one at midnight, 2 shifts. And so the cook would go, and what they had was beans, and that's where it got its name was Bean Hole. It's precursor to slow cooker. So this is lined completely with these cement blocks, just like what's under there,
Okay.
all around the edges. And you build your fire underneath there. Get your coals, put your cast iron ones with the legs,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have some have indented lids, so you put your briquettes on top of that, and then you can put another pot. So you might have your meat, and then your veggies, and then a dessert on top, and then you cover the whole thing over, and let it just cook all day. But 3 times a day they had beans, and so that's why they called it a bean hole.
Bean hole. I have discovered a bean hole. Look at this.
So then in here we're gonna. So this has to be with more of the.
Looky here.
Yeah, we probably had 200.
Looky there. Oh, hey, babies. Hello.
And those sticks are lotus, and I can see them coming up there. Whew. All kinds of, and they're so everything in there is invasive anymore, except the water lilies. But they've been pink all these years. Big pink blooms that are gorgeous.
Uh-huh.
This last year we got white ruffled ones.
Really?
Rare. We had no idea, but we got them in there now. I said I must have been pulling them out before. And
There's the big talent stuffed in there. They said our small rig has, we stuffed it in there though.
Yep.
She did an awesome job of telling Greg how to, helping him get it in there. And I just sat back out of the way and let the professionals do it.